Hey, Jason from xFanatical here. In this short video, I will demonstrate how to send automated email to new users manager in Google Workspace using the xFanatical Foresight automation tool. Traditional manual communication processes can be time-consuming, error-prone, and inefficient. For example, when a new user joins a team, it often requires manual intervention to notify their manager about the onboarding process. Google Admin's Console do not have an option to automate this task in the Google Admin Console yet. xFanatical Foresight automation tool is an innovative solution designed to streamline communication processes in Google Workspace. It leverages automation to send automated emails to new users' managers, ensuring that they are informed promptly about the onboarding process. How to send automated email to new users' manager in Google Workspace using the xFanatical Foresight automation tool. Log into your Foresight account with your Google Admin account. Step 1. Go to the Rules page and click the New Rule button. Select the user-created trigger from the Select a Trigger screen. Step 2. Click on Next, select Wait Action. In the Edit Action screen, change the wait time to 300 seconds. Click on the Add Next action. Step 3. Select the Get User Info action. In the Primary Email field, select the primary email variable in the drop-down list. Step 4. Click on the Add Next action and select the Email action. In the Email action, select the recipient in the To field. The To field is the manager's email address, which receives new employee details. Add a subject line. Compose an email message containing the new employee's information, then click Review. Step 5. In the Review page, name the new rule, click Create. Verification of the rule. Go to Google Admin Console, then Users. Select the Add New User option. Click Done to save the new user details in Admin Console. Now go to the New Users page and select User Information. In the User Information screen, fill out the fields that are required to be filled. Click Save. Now, go back to Foresight. Click on the new Notifications bell icon. Also, you can go to the manager's email inbox and check if the auto-generated email was received as intended. It's simple and easy. If you have yet to install Foresight, apply for a 14 days trial. If you like our video, hit the thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell icon to get notifications about the news, trends, and products that help you manage your business very well. To learn more, please visit xfanatical.com.